Hey guys, today we're gonna do an unboxing of the Bassstyle TB1019CF Bluetooth earphone headset. Okay. Oh yeah, and if you're a Prime member, you only pay 30 bucks. If you're not a Prime member, then the list price is $50. Okay. So let's do the unboxing. So this is how it looks like. It arrived from Amazon. And we opened it. So let's see what's inside first. Anyway, got the red one. Nothing in there. And here's what's inside. Okay, you have this charging cable. Comes with different sizes for your ears. This is the part that I like. If I use just the regular earbuds like this, it hurts my ear. So they sent me a different one for me to test it out. I'm hoping this will be my go-to headset, and I'm hoping that I'll be a lot happier using this. Wow, that's tight. I'm gonna break it. Okay. Alright, sit in there. And so got that. Let's check out the, comes with a manual. Alright, so you can use this for your phone as long as you have your device is Bluetooth enabled. Has microphone, volume. It also has tracker. Okay. Tells you how to connect it. Bear with your second phone. I guess you can connect this to your multiple devices. Alright. I mean, the instruction is pretty straightforward. Okay. Let's see. Does it say where it's made from? I'm pretty sure it's made from China. It's okay. As long as it works for my needs. So. Okay. Alright, cool. It comes with a clip. That's cool. And you get like extra. Are they the same sizes? Let's see. I think they are. And there's 4. That's cool. Oh wait, no, this one is smaller. Okay, there you go. That's the sizes right there. So you have the smaller size and the bigger size. So you just have to test it out which one fits your ear. So you got the left and the right. I'm gonna use the smaller size first. Use the big size. The big size right there. Okay, so to install this, you just pull this out, easy breezy. And alright, so this is the right side. It says right. So if it's right, then you should be using this one. Okay. Ah, there you go. It snaps. And you can just adjust it. Alright. The next one. This is the left now. Alright. Looks like it's that. I'm gonna check. You know what? I think I switched it. Should be the other way around. Let's see. Okay. You just have to figure out how you want to wear this thing. So it's behind the neck. Don't forget it's behind the neck. So this is the right. Let's do this. There we go. Perfect. All right, guys. This is how you wear it. Like that. Okay. That's how I prefer to wear it. So anyway, this is my unboxing of the Base style headphones, Bluetooth headphones. So hopefully this will work for my needs. Okay, so here are the basic stuff. Volume. Where you connect the cable to charge. Easy breezy. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Till next time.